After evaluating over 50 different products, we bought 5 of the best curling irons available today to test side by side in order to help you find a superior styling tool. We consulted with professional stylists as well as extensively tested out these products with a variety of different judges. We measured and compared the thermal characteristics of these products, rating and ranking their curl quality and ease of use. Check out the complete review to see which curling tool we crowned the champion, which is the best budget option, and how motorized versus manual models stacked up. There are many products available to choose curling irons, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best curling irons from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hot Tools Professional Series 24K Gold. The Hot Tools Professional Series 24K Gold is an excellent option for those seeking a premium styling tool to produce the best wave or curl. This model has an ergonomic handle, a long cord, and comes in multiple different barrel sizes, so you can achieve the exact curl you're looking for. There is a safety tip, which helps prevent unfortunate burn incidents. The pressure of the clamp is nice and even, and the temperature has a wide range and can be easily adjusted to suit your hair type. Sliding your hair through the iron feels effortless, and the integrated stand and convenient pivot for the cord make this one of our all-around favorite styling tools. Number 2. Kai Spin and Curl. If a motorized curler is your styling tool of choice for curling your hair, we think it's hard to go wrong with the Kai Spin and Curl. This option can make fast work of even the thickest and longest hair, expediting your morning routine considerably if you curl your hair every day. The 1-inch barrel can heat up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in your curls, all while being almost completely enclosed by guards, making it very hard to burn yourself. It's also compatible with 110 to 240 vac, making it a great travel option, and has a very long swivel cord, making maneuverability a breeze. We did find that there can be a bit of a learning curve when it comes to using this product. It can feel quite foreign and a bit intimidating if you are used to a traditional curling iron or wand, as you are feeding sections of your hair into a motorized roller, which can take some getting used to. This product is also much pricier than many of the other contenders, so it's not a great choice if you only occasionally style your hair with a curling iron. Number 3. MiroPure 1 1/4 inch. The MiroPure 1 1/4 inch curling iron is an excellent value pick if you're looking to purchase a new styling tool but have a tight budget to stick to. It has an easy-to-read display, an exceptionally long cord, and creates simple, effortless curls when styling your hair. It has one of the longest barrels of the bunch, allowing you to easily get multiple wraps on, and has a handy stand built in that is quite stable for easy storage. The clamp provides uniform pressure across the length, and it's even available in different colors for an extra fun factor. However, we did find a few flaws with this product. It has a lower maximum heat setting than many of the other options, and it only has 6 different temperature settings, much less adjustability than other options. Despite that, we think this is a great bargain option if you want a solid, reliable curler without wanting to shell out more cash for a top-shelf model. Number 4. Conair Infinitipro Curl Secret. If you want the ease and efficiency of a motorized option but don't want to spend the money for a premium tool, check out Conair Infinitipro Curl Secret. This motorized curling iron makes styling your hair quick and easy and keeps the heated element enclosed and away from your hands. It has 2 different heat levels and 3 timer settings, so you can get your curls just the way you like them. The Curl Secret is also quite comfortable to hold and user-friendly once you get the hang of using it. The Curl Secret is a little heavier than a traditional curling iron, and this model also has a slightly shorter cord. It also doesn't give you quite as much adjustability when creating curls or waves, as you only have the 3 different timer settings. It takes a bit of practice to get used to how you feed your hair into the roller and control the amount of curl, but we'd still recommend this to anyone searching for a mechanized styling tool that is easy on the wallet. Number 5. Hot Tools Signature Series. If you're on the hunt for a top-tier curling iron and don't need a super long cord, check out the Hot Tools Signature Series. This model is almost identical to one of our all-time favorite products, the Hot Tools Professional Series, except for its shorter cord. It's comfortable and easy to use, with an ergonomic handle, a safety tip to minimize the chance of burning yourself, and a built-in fold-out stand. It provides very even clamping pressure and has a decently high maximum temperature to give you plenty of options while styling. This tool is also available in fewer barrel diameters than its professional series sibling, notably omitting the smallest and the largest options. We also found the dials to adjust the temperature and turn this iron on or off to be a little spiky and harder to turn than some of the other options. However, we still would easily recommend this tool to anyone looking to save a little money and isn't bothered by the shorter cord and smaller range of available barrel diameters. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.